Now, we want to bring in legal analyst and former prosecutor Todd Flood for his reaction. Now, Todd, Judge Cheryl Matthews wasted no time handing down her sentence. Are you surprised that she chose to go above the guidelines for the sentence?
Carolyn, no, I'm not. This is a case, it's one where, it's remarkable when you do go over guidelines, but this is not one of those situations that it surprises me. The fact that this is such an ugly, sad case and how many lives have been affected. No, it's not surprising.
Now, Todd, both James and Jennifer read statements today in court. Did that play a role in the judge's sentencing? And was there anything they could have said to change the outcome today?
No, I don't think it changed the outset of what the judge was going to do. It may have actually, to some extent, they deflected. They gave a hollow statement in some regards. That I think in a big part would hurt them. But there is nothing they could have said, I think, that would have changed the sentencing. The facts of this case and the devastation of this case is one that it shows a substantial and compelling reason to go over the guidelines.
Now, Todd, the victim impact statements were powerful, emotional. How much do they weigh on the judge when it comes to sentencing?
You would have to be a heedless soul if it didn't impact you. Those statements, those lives. I mean, I don't think there was a dry eye anywhere that witnessed the statements by these victims and the families. Does it impact the judge? The judge will remember this for the rest of her life. Yes. Does it show some compelling reason to go over guidelines of how devastating this was? Yeah, it could have. What was really remarkable to me was how prepared and how studied Judge Matthews was in this case, and how she talked about and knew the children, their backstories and what they were like. She even corrected the attorneys on the record about facts. It was undisputable how powerful she was with the knowledge of the case. And I think those victim impact statements, there's a constitutional right why we have them. Well, right there, the proof is in the pudding. Those statements were very, very powerful.
Yeah, that judge paid attention to every single detail, you could tell today. Thank you so much, Todd, as always, for your time and your legal expertise. Certainly a long road to get to today. Now, you can watch the entire sentencing hearing, including the full victim impact statements, at WXYZ.com.